Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn an interesting feature, timeline, which is used to filter your pivot table and pivot chart. The timeline slicer works with date fields only. Hence, if your pivot table has date field, then we can use timeline filter to filter the dates in the pivot table. Now in this example, we have employee data having joining date, and we have created a pivot table and pivot chart where joining date is selected at column level. To create a timeline slicer, click anywhere in a pivot table to show the pivot table analyze ribbon tab. Then click insert timeline in filter group. The insert timeline box show all the date related fields. In our example, we have only joining date field. So select the checkbox for joining date and click OK. Now a timeline slicer is added, and now you can filter the data in the pivot table and pivot chart at joining date level. You can quickly filter the data at years, quarters, months or days level. Select the years. Now the pivot table and chart is showing data for all the 3 years. Click on 2019 and the pivot table and chart will show data of 2019 only. You can drag the timeline scroll bar to include additional tiles. So drag and select 2020. Now the pivot table and chart is showing data for both 2019 and 2020 years. Similarly, to show quarterly data, select quarters in the drop down. Now the timeline filter is showing the data at a quarter level. Select any quarter and the pivot table and chart will show the data accordingly. Now you can connect multiple pivot table to the same timeline filter. So create another pivot table using the same data source. I have created another pivot table showing location and number of employees. Now select the timeline. Now go to the timeline ribbon tab. Select report connections and in the dialog box select the second pivot table. Click OK. Now the second pivot table is also connected to the timeline filter. Now make changes in the timeline and both pivot table and chart will update accordingly. To customize the timeline, select the timeline, go to timeline ribbon tab and in timeline styles group, select any style. To clear all the filters, click on clear filter button and it will clear all the filters from the pivot tables and pivot charts. So using these simple steps, you can add timelines to filter your pivot table and pivot chart. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.